So, one of my viewers by the name of Braxcallion7000 suggested I should print this very printer. I'm doing it now because I was printing other things I had planned and I didn't get around to printing it until now. To be honest, I thought that'd be kind of cool, you know, like print my printer printing itself. Well, I'm gonna love it. Wait, would that be printer inception? What if I make my 3D printer print a printer, printing 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 a... Anyway, you get the idea. Might do that in the future. Anyway, you came here to see me print this using this printer. So, I'll tell you how I did it. And here's the final thing. It looks pretty accurate with the real thing. Let me just move it over so you can see it better. As you can see, it's got pretty much all the details. It's got the front screen, the little knob that you spin, the extruder, the boarding tube, this disaster, and the print bed. Everything came out looking pretty good. Everything apart from this bit and maybe this tube. The hardest part of this was probably creating this tube because I've never created like a tube like this before in Fusion 360. So it's a bit of a learning curve. This tube, first of all, isn't meant to be loose. It kind of snapped off whilst I was trying to take the supports off. But most of the details are there. Bed looks pretty accurate. It's got the little 2 railings on the bottom like it does in the real thing. It's got the little 2-layer kind of bit where it's got the thing that moves and then the heated bed bit. The thing that moves and the heated bed bit. This bit was kind of a disaster because it was so small. I couldn't tell which bit was the support and which bit was the little metal rod, like this metal rod here. As you can see, there's a rod here, that bit there, but it just stops here. I thought that bit was the support and I pulled it out and realized it wasn't the supports when it was too late. But this model came out pretty good. Also, there'll be a poll up here asking if you liked how this video format is. Kind of changing it up a bit, see if you guys like it this way or the old way. So just go to this poll up here and tell me if you like this new way that I'm making my videos or the old way, which is the way I made my other videos. This will help me see which videos you like, so I can make videos that you're actually willing to watch. That's the end of this video. Until next week, see ya!